Tinugtog hindi lang isa, dalawa, tatlo, at lalong hindi apat, kundi 5 musical instruments. Yan ang exceptional talent ng tinaguriang one-man band na si Elmer June Hilario, tubong Bacolod City. Dahil sa angking husay niya sa paggamit ng mga instrumentong ito, nakalikha siya ng musika na animoy tinugtog ng isang banda. Ang mga instrumentong ito ay gitara, keyboard, electronic violin, ukulele at harmonica. Nakaproduce na rin siya ng album na pinamagatang Music is My Only Outlet. Samantala, ang orihinal na kanta niyang Tumayo para sa Kalikasan ay nanalo ng first prize sa Earth Day Festival na ginanap sa UP Diliman. Ngayong umaga, subukan natin ang kalibre sa musika ng one-man band na si Elmer June Hilario, ang ating UH Morning Star.
From the very first time I raised my eyes on you, girl, my heart said follow through. But I know now that I'm waiting on the line, but the waiting feeling's fine, yeah. Don't talk to me as if you think I'm dumb. I wanna know when you're gonna come. Sing with me. You see, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Summer is here, I'm still waiting there. Winter is here, but I'm still waiting there. Cause I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Cause I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Can you sing it up? I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Just sing it up. Come on.
Good morning, ang ating one-man band. Kakaiba ka. Talagang sinolo mo na lahat eh. Lahat kaya mo eh. Gaano katagal ka nag-training para magawa mo lahat yan? Yes.
Ay, nako. Ano po, sa YouTube ko po natutunan mag-violin, tapos yung keyboard, may mga chord naman po sa internet, di ba?
Lahat yan, YouTube lang?
Yung
so, ibig sabihin talagang nasa dugo mo na, talagang meron kang musicality sa ano. Kasi ibang tao, wala talaga eh. So, totoo lang ako, I kept. Anyway, congratulations. Ikaw ang aming UH Morning Star. Wow. O, diba? Congratulations sa'yo, ha? O, siguro naman, pagkata sa 5 instrumento, by next year, meron pa yan 2 dadagdag. No! Magiging isang band na kulang na lang drums, okay ka na. Solve!
Okay, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Elmer June, one-man band Hilario.